Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today we will be learning how to upgrade the CoinGecko account to Premium. Upgrading to CoinGecko Premium is a great choice if you want more powerful features for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrencies. So follow this step to upgrade your CoinGecko account to Premium easily. First things first, open the CoinGecko app on your mobile device, and from the home page or the Markets tab, go ahead and tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. From the Profile section of CoinGecko, tap on My Account. On the next page, click on Upgrade to Premium under Manage Subscription. Now, you'll be able to see the CoinGecko Premium annual or monthly plan. With leveling up on your CoinGecko, you'll be able to enjoy ad-free experience, more candies or boosts every day, exclusive CoinGecko Premium NFT, premium newsletters, and free CoinGecko books including How to DeFi, How to Bitcoin, and How to NFT. Go ahead and select your plan according to your preference and then click on Subscribe Now at the bottom. Choose your preferred payment method such as debit, credit, or other supported options, and carefully review the billing details and confirm the payment to complete your subscription. Once successful, your account will automatically be upgraded to CoinGecko Premium. So that's how you easily and successfully upgrade to CoinGecko Premium. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.